Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Async await in JavaScript projects. Previously I demonstrated promises for asynchronous calls and APIs. So let's take a look at the design. As you can see, we have just div with emoji and text. The text will be received from the one API and just the button for the next job. By pressing the button, we'll receive the second job. Okay, let's get started with the implementation. I'm in my Visual Studio Code, just empty folder, and I'm going to create index HTML file and press exclamation mark and go to template. So I'm going to change title to joke jokes app. Okay, and now we need some container. Inside container we'll have span for emoji and some joke div, and we need button with next joke text, and let me add id next. Let it be button next. Okay, and let me check. Okay, and now we can build styles CSS, and let's create file for script and add all these files to the HTML link styles and also script results to our script and defer. I put here defer to load script and start execution after HTML is ready. So let's get to the styles. I'll assign styles to body, display flags, and justify content by center. Okay, and also I need style for container. Let's put with 600, and also need some border 1 pixel solid green, and also we need border radius 20 pixels. Okay, and let me add styles for the emoji containers. We need to increase font size. Let it be 1.2 root element, and also we need some styles for button container button, and we need font size 1.2 root element, padding 10 pixels, and we can add margin 10 pixels. So can check background color, change background color to green, and also color to white. Okay, now we can return to our HTML file. I'm going to open terminal and just run my HTML file by pressing start index HTML. And as you can see, we have it in browser. We can add some center to the items, and also we can add margin top and put some emojis. I'll use this one. Okay, let me do it. We have images, and now I'm going text align center, and also we need some styles for our Joke element. Add phrasing, 10 pixels, 20 pixels, and font size 1 to 11. And also we can put initially login text here. And let's check. Okay. Oh, we forgot to add margin top. Okay, container, and we need margin of 50 pixels. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's check with this. Okay, we can increase font size for emoji. Font size 1.5. Okay, looks good. And now we can build our JavaScript code. So I'm going to use this API. Here is the address for GET request. We'll use only GET requests. Let me add const for URL. It's a public API. It doesn't require any authorization, so we can just make a call. And now I can create a async function, get job, async function. We need this async keyword to be able to use await inside, and it will return our promise. So, and let me add some parameters. I can add URL and selector, and inside we can add const element and the document query selector and selector. It's a element for our job. We are going to update content after we received our response. So, and now let's use fetch function. Fetch it requires URL. We'll use only get method, so we don't need any parameters. And now we can use await and assign some response to await. Okay, and now we can console log our response to see what we have from the server. Let's call this function with our URL and our ID that needs to be updated. Okay, let's check. I'm going to open developer tools console, just update. Okay, we have a response. Okay, is true. Status is 200, and we can check network. And as you can see, we have a value here. We're going to use this value to update the text inside div, and let's check doc. So yeah, the value should be provided. Okay, let's write code. We need to check if response okay. If response not okay, response okay, we can update text element text content and place here some error on the server. Okay, and if there are no errors, then we can receive our data. Just const data and response JSON. Response JSON is also promised, and we need to await for our data. And after data is ready, we can update our element text content and just data value, and also we can try catch to try potential errors in our code. Catch or in fetch function. Catch error. Oh. And we'll just console log error. Console error. Okay, and let's check. Okay, as you can see, the jog is here, and I have this jog in response, and we can check when the URL is wrong. Let's put some numbers here to make URL incorrect, and element text content error. Right. Okay. Later. You can add some meaningful text in these errors. I'm just showing it. So let's take a look. Okay, there is no error and no text. Let's take a look. So probably it's some correct URL. We need to change something like that. Let's check. Okay, we have our error text. And now we can just remove this, make it correct again. And we can add event listener to our button to receive the next jog. Add event listener to click, and I'll just call our function like here. Okay. We need get element by ID. Element by ID here. And then we can provide our ID button. Okay, and let's check. Okay, we have one jog. We have next jog. We can change the button to cursor pointer. Button pointer. Okay, and we can remove this console log. Okay, and now we can close this and update. Okay, we have jog. Then I press next. We receive next jog, and again everything is working. So that's all what I have. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll provide the link to the source code in the description. You can try it, change some styles or functionality. Thank you for watching video. Goodbye.